Hi everyone, and thank you for watching. Let's get ready to make some delicious shrimp. If you've never had ketchup shrimp, it's definitely worth a try. The first thing you will need to do is thaw 300 grams of shrimp. Then you will need to rinse the shrimp and drain the water from the shrimp. Rinse and dice 1 green onion. Julienne 2 slices of ginger. Dice 2 cloves of garlic. To make the sauce for the shrimp, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of ketchup to the sauce bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of water, and then mix the sauce well. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to a non-stick pan on high heat. Add your garlic and ginger and saute lightly. Now add the shrimp to your pan. Saute and flip the shrimp. Swirl the shrimp around to make sure that it cooks evenly. Now mix your sauce and add it to the saucepan. Saute and swirl the shrimp. Flip the shrimp until both sides are slightly golden. This is one of the reasons I call this the dancing ketchup shrimp dish, because you need to swirl the shrimp around the pan so that the sauce covers the shrimp evenly. When you notice the shrimp starting to caramelize, add the green onion and saute. Flip the shrimp, and then you're ready to plate the shrimp. This shrimp recipe is definitely finger licking good. The part I like the most is licking that beautiful sauce off the shell and eating it with rice. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please come back and visit me soon. Thank you for watching.